Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your messenger. So if you're trying to deactivate your messenger but the deactivate option is not showing in the messenger app, then I'm going to show you how you can do it. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. To deactivate your messenger, first of all you need to deactivate your Facebook ID. To deactivate, go to menu, click on settings, then you can click on your profile. Sorry, go back, click on personal information, click on manage account, and here you will see the deactivate option. So first of all you have to deactivate your account before you deactivate the messenger. Then go to the messenger and click on your profile ID. So if you are not getting option deactivate option in the account setting, once you deactivate your Facebook account, you click on legal and policy, and here you will get the deactivate messenger option. So it's 100% works. So once you have disabled deactivated your Facebook ID, then if you come in the messenger setting, don't go to the account settings, click on legal and policies, and here you will get the deactivate option to deactivate your account. So I'm not going to deactivate mine, so but this is how it works. This is how you will get the option here. So make sure that you deactivate first Facebook ID, then go to legal and policy and get the deactivate option. I hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.